Message your clients directly when you have questions about any submitted items to get answers and confirmation from them faster in an already familiar format: in-app instant messaging. In this video, we'll look at how to message clients within DexPrepare's web and mobile apps. One of the pains with traditional bookkeeping and accounting has always been the client chase-ups each month, and particularly towards the end of the tax year, times of frantic to and fro's between the office and client workplaces. The lack of context for items provided by clients primarily drives this often frequent frenzy. This lack of vital information often results in delays to getting items reconciled, as accountants and bookkeepers would have to call or set up meetings with clients to determine the purpose of a pile of receipts for which any particular information or context wasn't initially provided for. This is a huge headache to clients, as some of those documents can be so old that they would have trouble remembering or tracing what they were primarily for, making the process of reconciliation a cause of stress for both accountants, bookkeepers, and their clients. Item messaging is a DexPrepare feature providing both clients and accountants and bookkeepers the means to cut through the fog and to get to clear, precise answers. It takes the convenience of instant messaging in a fully trackable format for any item submitted to DexPrepare. Find it by opening your document and then looking at the Details tab to the right. Click on the Message tab in order to access the messaging screen. Type your message into the text field and select the Send button in order to send it through to your recipient. This looks like a paper airplane. In this example, I've asked Janelle to provide some details over the items listed in this invoice. As with other instant messaging clients, any message you receive from your client will also appear in this window. Timestamps are found to the side of the message bubble for easy tracking. Clients will mostly always use the Dex mobile app to send you responses, as this is the primary method for them to submit their documents to you. The response will be made available to them immediately. On the web app, you can find your received messages in the top right of the screen. These are received instantly and in real time on the platform. On smartphones, which have the Dex mobile app installed, any received messages appear as a standard notification in your notification bar. Once your client sends you a message, you can reply to these directly for the item in question in the accompanying message area. You can choose to reply to these messages on your mobile app, or as in this case, directly from the web app on your computer. On the client's phone, you can see that the messages I sent them are available for them to answer directly. Janelle has replied to confirm that these were for her remote office, allowing for quick and easy resolution to a question that could have otherwise taken days to answer. Use item messaging whenever you have any questions about the status of any item submitted. If you want to confirm a possible discrepancy, use item messaging to ask your clients directly about them. For example, does a payment method not match the normal methods your client uses? What if you are unsure if a particular receipt was part of a one-off event or is a new indicator of a regular item to be set up? Item messaging takes the place of several phone calls or even in-person visits in all of these cases. It doesn't rely on you catching the client at an opportune time or provide any missed chances for clients to provide essential clarifications to any invoices or receipts they submit through to you. Feel free to message your client whenever you need confirmation or to open a two-way channel. Unlock this powerful feature essential to smarter remote bookkeeping from any item submitted to your account.